Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Soul Land Awakening World game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Soul Land Awakening World, and then click on Soul Land Awakening World game from the result. Then scroll down, and here you will see play Soul Land Awakening World free to play. Click on play game button, and you can see over here the file size is 22.39 MB. Click on install. Now go to library, and here you can see Soul Land Awakening World game is getting downloaded. Now once it is get downloaded, click on play button. This will launch the Soul Land Awakening World launcher. So just downloading the game in Steam does not download the complete game. This only downloads the Soul Land Awakening World launcher. And when you click on play button, this will launch the Soul Land Awakening World. And here you will see the download button. And you can see that game is getting downloaded on my PC. So this is how you can download and install Soul Land Awakening World via the Steam launcher on PC. And this game is free to download. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.